In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Hubspot CRM. Whether you're running a global business or just need to manage your finances in a different currency, adjusting your currency settings in HubSpot is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it step by step so you can ensure your CRM displays the financial data in the currency you prefer. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's services and tools for your business. Once you have the homepage loaded, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Log In option. Click on this to proceed. This action will prompt you to enter your HubSpot credentials if you aren't already logged in. Simply enter your username and password to continue. After successful login, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home screen. From here, you have access to all the main functions of HubSpot, but for our task, we'll want to adjust some settings. Next, you'll need to locate the settings gear icon. On the HubSpot homepage, you can find it in the top right corner. This icon is your gateway to personalizing your HubSpot experience, including changing your currency settings. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the settings menu. Once in the settings, look for the section labeled Account Defaults in the sidebar on the left. This area lets you set various default settings for your account, helping streamline your HubSpot usage. Select Account Defaults to dive deeper into more specific settings. Now that you're in the Account Defaults area, you'll see a variety of options to customize your HubSpot account according to your needs. What you need to do next is find and click on the Currency tab. This is where you can specify which currency you want HubSpot to use for financial data representation. After selecting the Currency tab, HubSpot will present you with a list of available currencies that you can choose from. Browse through this list and pick the one that suits your business requirements. Selecting the appropriate currency will ensure that all your business transactions, reports, and financial information are displayed accurately in the currency you've chosen. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. This action will confirm the new currency settings and apply them across your HubSpot account. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the currency in HubSpot CRM. Adjusting these settings can make a significant difference in how you manage your business finances, and it ensures that all your financial data aligns with your preferences. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.